Hello, welcome back to another video. Geez, it's been a while. I have a C program here. It's nothing special. It's very basic. The school I currently attend, we are doing a lot of work with C. So I thought I would step aside, play around with it a little bit, and this is what I came up with. I'm going to go ahead and open the terminal, but there's something I want to talk about. No big deal. However, I find myself writing prompts in the terminal often, and I don't have as much of an understanding as I would like. So I'll get to that in a minute. So I'm going to do GCC space dash WALL space dash WEX, right? TRA or Wextra space dash STD equals C11 space dash lowercase o space Raycaster space Raycaster dot C and then space dash LM enter. All right, so what does that even mean? The first part of this prompt is GCC. This is the compiler itself, the GNU compiler collection. All right. It's the program that takes the C code I wrote and it turns it into something my computer can actually run. Now, after that, you've got the dash WALL and you have the dash WEXTRA or dash wall dash Wextra. Think of these as turning on, quote, strict mode. They tell the compiler, hey, you, if anything in my code looks even a little sketchy, like a variable I never used or a comparison that doesn't really make sense, please warn me about it. It will not stop the build, but it's like having a second pair of eyes looking over your shoulder, right? Okay. So in the next part here, you have the dash std equals C11. This just tells the compiler which version of the C language rules to follow. C's been around for a long time, since the 1970s, and it has had numerous official updates over the years. This pins us to the 2011 version, so I am not relying on the compiler's default guess. Okay, and then after that here, you've got the dash lowercase o Raycaster. This names the output file. Without this, I just spit out a generically named program. So this is me saying, call the finished program Raycaster, and then after that, you see the Raycaster.c. That's the actual file itself, the source code that I'm about to compile. Now look here, in VS Code, you have Raycaster.c. Now back to the prompt, here's Raycaster.c. And last but not least, you have the dash LM. This one's a little more behind the scenes. My code uses math functions like sine and cosine for the raycasting. And it turns out those live in a separate math library that has to be explicitly linked in. So this flag is basically saying, hey, compiler, go grab the math toolbox too. Put it all together, and I'm basically telling my computer, take this file, hold it to a strict standard, warn me about anything weird, right? Grab the math tools that you will need and give me back a program called Raycaster. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do raycaster.exe and I'm going to hit enter. It's not a big deal for this program. I'm using AWSD to move around. Let's go ahead and explore a little bit. Nothing special. I'm still learning. This gives me very old school PC vibes. I was thinking about Wolfenstein. I was thinking about Doom. And I was also thinking about this red bar right here that happens to be an enemy. Okay. I'll do a little exploring and then I'll hop off. Just a quick video for today. Oops. Let's go down this corridor here a little bit. See what's down here. Kind of fun. I do have to say yes, it's very, very simplistic, but I do appreciate that old school vibe it gives me, back in the day playing Oregon Trail and, in television games. Not, I mean, this is television clearly more advanced than this, but it has that older feel to it. I appreciate that. Am I at a dead end here? Kind of seems like I'm at a dead end, doesn't it? So what if I just keep going to the right here? Let's see what happens. Oh, okay, cool. Let's go down this way. Let's go get this enemy or red column. And I just take those out with the space bar. Let me move my cursor. All right, get a little bit closer and there we go. All right, I want to go down this hall a little bit here and then I'm going to call it. Like I said, my school, we are doing a lot of work with C right now, and I thought I would kind of step aside and try something on my own here. Nope. There, I got it. Let me turn around here, walk down this corridor a little bit. All right, you get the idea. Just a quick video for today. Nothing crazy, nothing special. Just wanted to have a little bit of fun. But thank you, as always, for stopping by and watching the video. I do appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.